one quiet day here in Amed. We had this commandant hour. The fireworks was prohibited, but anyways, we were on a beach and there was some fireworks anyways going on, and it was actually nice because what a new year is without the fireworks. Wish we had some. The beginning of the year is a time of conclusions and setting the milestones for the upcoming year, and I think there is only one really big wish for the 2021. I wish that all the borders are finally open and people can start traveling. We don't need anything else, only this one. It's our chance to make things happen, and it's a chance to work. I don't know, it's like a kind of what to say about all this vaccination and that things. Everybody has their own opinion about that. If it's like a kind of way of control of us, that's one of the things. But anyways, we are not criminals and there's nothing to really worry about. Is it good for your health, all these vaccinations, right? So that's the only concern. That's the only concern bothers me. That's nothing else. If it's only way to travel for the future, I will do the vaccination probably. With this vaccination, I don't want to damage my health or immune system. That's the only thing I'm thinking about that at the moment. What I'm looking forward for 2021 is to open beautiful place for all the divers to dive. Place where we can serve all of you and provide with the best experience possible. For the last couple of years, one of my plans been to going to Mexico and do my full cave diving course. I'm actually kind of phobic of all the caves. Not really phobic, but I just want to get a proper training to overcome something which I'm not feeling comfortable with. What I'm also looking forward is maybe start doing these trips where I'm going for a couple of months to another place as Bali and meet all of you there and dive together, so to give you another experience, give you a chance to see other places as well. Another thing what I'm waiting from 2021 is to progress into the YouTube. Otherwise, where is the point why I'm doing this one? I'm kind of investing a lot of time and work into these videos, so I need some outcome as well. So that's why what I'm waiting from 2021 is more subscribers, more views, monetize my channel, and maybe because of that to create some more interesting content and start a little bit traveling around to show you other places as only Amed. That's what I'm expecting from 2021. Another thing what I'm planning as a milestone for 2021 is to bring the instructor courses into the different level. Maybe become a technical instructor from another organization, so then I can focus a little bit more on the technical diving as well. We have a really good place to do it, and we have all the conditions for that. This year we would like to go back to Latvia and visit our families, and that's another plan for the next year. Reviews about equipment and that stuff. So that's the main plan for 2021. All these plans I just mentioned will be possible only in a case if the borders will open. Like for example, at the moment, from the 1st to 14th of January, the borders of Indonesia are closed. So if you plan to come to Indonesia or Bali in this period of the time, just cancel everything, because it will become cancelled anyways. So there is no chance to enter Indonesia at this period of the time. So yeah, today is another 15 days. So that's why a lot of people is in a water, swimming again, so washing off all the problems and that things. It's a kind of good tradition for the beginning of the year. It's a full moon, so that's why the ceremonies are done, and now everybody is just washing off all the bad things. That was the episode from that was the second episode from 2021. So far really good. 2 days with no rain. Follow us, subscribe, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.
There's a lot of